friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is the Valentine's Day dessert collab, our monthly dessert collab. Our host is Angel McMillan, 16. Please check out her channel and the amazing creators in the playlist in my description box. Let's start. We're going to start out with 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 container of whipped cream, thought at first the side of the bowl was broke, but it's not. This was the pudding I'm going to use in this. Was supposed to be vanilla, but since it's Valentine's Day, I thought, why not make a chocolate peanut butter eclair cake? You know, for Valentine's Day. Who doesn't love chocolate? And it's classic to put peanut butter with it. So that's what we're doing today. This is 1 cup of peanut butter. The recipe I found for it was vanilla pudding and with this peanut butter filling. And I thought, oh, I think that would be good with chocolate pudding. With this peanut butter filling. Actually, this is the way I make my peanut butter pie. So I know this is going to be good. My peanut butter pie filling is exactly the same as this. And we love it, so. The only thing you need in this recipe, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 thing of whipped cream, 2 things of pudding made with directions, so with 2 cups, with the 4 cups of milk, and 1 can of icing, and 1 box of graham crackers. That's all you need for this recipe. It's not a lot of things. Okay, let's add our first layer of graham cracker. Now we're going to add our filling. Let's smooth it out. Okay, we're going to add our next layer. This is our pudding. We're going to add it in. Like I said, the recipe called for vanilla. It's Valentine's Day. Let's do chocolate. Okay, now let's add the last of our peanut butter. Which smells delicious. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Okay, now we're going to finish off the chocolate. Okay, we're going to put our icing in the microwave just for a few seconds to get it where it's runny. Okay, let's add the last layer of our graham crackers on the top. Now we are going to add our icing over the top of this. I'm going to just ice in the top of our cake. Leave this set in the refrigerator till it sets up good. I'd leave it set at least 4 hours. So you make sure it's nice and set up. Or even if you're having a party, you could do this and leave it set up overnight. Would be fine as well. That way your your dessert would already be done, which I like to do anyway when I'm hosting.